this is Asha Singh. So I am back from my work and I am literally hungry because I ate nothing. आज के दिन कुछ नहीं खाया, बस चाय पिया था guys और 2 onion pakora. And I'm starving. My stomach is making so different noises like I cannot even. So I am here with 20 rupees ka Fanta because I cannot consume the whole big Fanta. So I just thought of recording myself. So क्योंकि ये जब मैंने जब ठंडा लाया था ना तब मैंने नहीं पिया इसको, मैंने रूम पे रखा तो थोड़ा नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर के, बिकॉज आई डोंट लाइक टू मच कोल्ड, I don't like too much of cold drink as well, but just for you guys, for your demand, okay. I don't know what kind of demand it is, but for you guys, Fanta पियो और ठंडा हो जाओ. Cheers guys. Good. I prefer Fanta a lot and Sprite, Coca-Cola. Like मुझे वो थोड़ा strong लगता है, थोड़ा कड़वा नहीं, but I don't know, I just don't prefer. I prefer something light color like this. So it's Fanta and Mirinda and Sprite. And Mountain Dew as well. I think I'm still looking beautiful even after my 8-9 hours work.